Alright guys, today I'm in Wales, in South Wales, and I just want to show you a little town here, how it looks like if you're coming here in this area to visit. So the place is called Namburth, and it's in Pembrokeshire region in South Wales. It's like a nice little market town with a lot of antique shops, a lot of cafes. So I'm at the moment in the parking, so if you come here, this is the best parking to park your car. For 2 hours I pay £2. So here, very important, just have a look on parking and pay by cash or card. If you go on the app, it's gonna charge you double. The plan is to explore this town today and to see how it looks like. So join me to do this together. Okay, so we start this video from here. We have this memorial, which is for the fighters who fight in a Second World War and in a First World War. So both of them. So this is the memorial from them, in their memories. Here we have an old British telephone box. Let's see if it's open. Here we go, guys. The phone is look like it's working. So we will go up to the town. So it's a hill here, so this town is on a hill. We're going to the town center to see exactly what's happened there. But yeah, check this out. A nice beautiful pub in front of me if you are fancy a drink. And now we will go to town. So if you go in that way, you'll go to Tenby, which is a seaside town in South Wales. It's a beautiful place to go if you want to spend a few days. Here we go, we have a Dragon Inn over there. It's a pub, a local pub, some shops here. So if from here you can buy a hot cooked chicken. It's a butcher here more, so you can buy meat to cook your own food. And this one over here, it's a sign from antiques. So in this town, there are quite a lot of antique shops. So let's go here to see how it looks like. This one here, nice, beautiful street. So it's open. I'll not film inside. So this, if you want to come here, this one is one of the antiques. You can feel the smell of antique stuff. And here you have a cafe, which is part of the antique shop. There you go, so now it's cozy cafe. Let's see what else is here. Check this out, that road over there. Here there are more stuff. So you can find a little shop here, a little garden here. Also, I don't know if I'm allowed to go here, but I will try. Check this out. So if you want to chill here, having a coffee, you can buy from that cafe. You can come there to sit and chill. Also here, it's beautiful. Like people who work here. Very, very beautiful. Check this out. Nice little terrace here. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Let me know. Little old milk barrel over here. So in the 80s, maybe 90s, people was stock the milk in that barrel and they took it to sell. Check this out, this mural is beautiful here. So yeah, that is inside, but again, how I told you, I will not go inside because I don't want to film in a shop. But it's beautiful here. We will keep going through the town to show you more places, more stuff, what's happened here. So in front of me is a town hall, but was converted in a shop. If you want to go to have a look to see if you want to buy something, you can go to see. But yeah, there it's a shop, so it's nothing what you can see. It's just more what they sell, that people So the clock is not working, unfortunately. In front of me, it's a pizzeria, more local shops. Again, if you want to help local community, these are the places where you want to come to buy stuff because you support local community. So this is the main street here. Everything is happening on this street. As you can see, it's very busy, so it's just one way. You're going that way, and from that side you come in another way. Here it's a supermarket, like everywhere. Another supermarket over there. Let's see the church, British Baptist Church. Let's see what's happened here. So this is the church, the British Baptist Church. I like these buildings. Look at this, how beautiful it is. There are quite a lot of churches in Wales. I think this place is very religion. I don't know, have a lot of things to do with the religion. Let me know if you know, guys. So yeah, if you want to come to visit this church, pop in and go. Okay, let's go. Let's cross the street again. Very busy street, this street. It's queuing people all the time. Walford, it's another place over there you can go. More local shops. Here we go. More stuff here. I don't know what's happened here. Let's see. So over there on the corner you have a fish and chips. It's £8 it says. But you know my thoughts about fish and chips. Oh, I almost fell down. Buy it by the sea because it's the fresh one. So here it's a bakery. A lot of cakes. Nice. So if you have fancy a cake, just pop in there. Maybe I'll have one later to see how it is. Another pub here. Angel. It's a free house. And check this out. This beautiful box. There you go, how they design, you see. So in Wales, there are two languages. Official one is Welsh and English, but of course majority of the people they speak English. But here in South Wales, central of Wales, and in these small towns, you will hear a lot Welsh language. And the kids are teaching a school to speak Welsh, which is beautiful to see. There you go, it's another cafe over here. If you want to buy a wedding, actually it's a wedding shop, it's not a cafe. I don't know what is this. That one over there look absolutely stunning. Is that Adam Lanala? Let me know who is that player. So it's a sport bar. Okay, let me go in that way to see what is there. To see if it's something else to show you. Because it's not that big, this place. I just want to show you to make idea how a little village in the South Wales is look like. I was thinking about to find a market, but it's not any market around. Properties over here. If you want to buy something, so that there is like a shop. I don't know what it is. And here I think it's like a park. But we go to see what's happened. To say like that, I will need to cross the road. So yeah, here it's outside of the town center. You see the colorful houses. So if you go in Tenby, for example, you'll find a lot of houses with different colors. It's a little cafe over here. House from sale if you want to buy a property here. I think here you go in a big car park where we park. And this is a little park. Chilling here and let your kids to play over there. Interesting. It's a little bit windy today. Well, I'll check to see what else I can find. If not, that's it. So let me show you the car park here before I close the video. Here you go. Here it's a social club, guys. So if you didn't been to social club, you might try here first time. So social club is like a place where a local community are meet each other and drinking pints, eating. I don't know how it's working this one, but usually you pay a fee every month and you are part of that social club. It's like that in a big cities. I don't know how it's working here. So it's good, especially if you are retired, to make some friends and to meet new people. It's good to go to a social club. Yeah, the pub over there. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, consider to subscribe, comment, like, and yeah, that's it from here, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.